In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use synced blocks in Notion. If you've ever wanted the same piece of content to appear in multiple places and stay perfectly up to date, this is for you. A synced block lets you write something once and reuse it across your workspace, so updates to the original automatically appear everywhere you've pasted it. First, head over to Notion.com, click Login if you're accessing it in the browser, or launch Notion if you're opening the desktop app. Once you're in, navigate to your workspace so you can access the pages you're working with. Open the page where you want to create your original synced block. This will be the source you'll maintain going forward. Pick a page that makes sense as your home base for this content, like a central resources page or a team hub. Inside that page, place your cursor where you want the block to go. Now type a / on your keyboard, then type synced block. You'll see synced block appear in the drop-down menu. Click it to insert the block. Notion will create a special container on your page that's ready to sync. Enter whatever content you want inside the block. This can be text, headings, checklists, or even a mix of elements. Take a moment to format it clearly so it's easy to read wherever it appears. Think of it like a reusable snippet. Announcements, guidelines, definitions, or key links work especially well here. When your content looks good, click the Copy Synced block icon. This option prepares a synced version you can place on other pages. Then go to the page where you want to paste the synced block. Position your cursor and paste it right in. You'll see an identical block appear, already connected to the original. From now on, whenever you edit the original block in the original page, the changes will automatically sync with all the other pages where this block is pasted. This keeps your information consistent without manual copy and paste. A quick tip: keep track of where your original lives so you know exactly where to make edits in the future. It's helpful to keep that source block in a page that's easy for you or your team to find. That's all you need to use synced blocks effectively in Notion. Create the block, copy it, paste it where you need it, and maintain the original for seamless updates across your workspace. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.